In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss Volkswagen in South Africa, why loyalty and reach still matter. Catch You Ask, We Answer, fleet buying made simple, Isuzu and Toyota reliability. In this episode of All Things Motoring, Mercedes 380 SE and restoration gems, keeping history alive. And Audi RS6 feature, German muscle meets SA exclusivity. This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. Chery to launch 19 new hybrid models in 2025. Isuzu and Rally to Read continue to drive literacy development in Nelson Mandela Bay. Ford Silverton manufacturing plant green initiatives, a step closer to carbon neutrality. The innovative and sporty Giulietta Berliner turns 70. Toyota Gazoo Racing Junior Academy eyes more glory at Rotex National Round 2. Read Colin Rendell's article, Refreshed Volvo S90 revealed. The updated S90 will become available in China soon, with a phased rollout to other global markets expected thereafter. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by CHANGECARS. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, CHANGECARS has you covered.